Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, I'm at work right now. Just gonna show you some of the views we have at my workplace. Hope you guys enjoy. We have a train in St. Lucia. Yes. When the people from overseas come down, they come and enjoy the train as well. Yes. We have some of the best beaches in St. Lucia. A nature island at its best. And this is the Vigie playing field where the young boys come and play the football, the cricket, all different sports. Yes guys, if you guys like a lot of these videos, please like, subscribe and comment, and I will be updating you guys and I'll be posting more videos of these. Thanks for watching.